requests to various addressees, Indonesian, Malaysian, Singaporean, Australian, Hong Kong, beginning August 2024 till November 2024. At least kalahati nito, anim, ay awaiting reply. So, 4 months na po. So, may reply na po ba sila sa inyo at sa atin? Yes, Chief Manahan.
Madam Chair, good morning. With regard po sa sa issue of the results ng mga replies, as far as I can remember, Madam Chair, no official replies, written replies received by the Bureau of Immigration as of this date. Pero sa informal channel po, Madam Chair, they are may mga information po sila na sinabi na walang results or wala hong information with regard to the arrival or departure of um, the GUOs on those particular dates. But basta, with regard to the written or official replies, the Bureau of Immigration haven't received any from those counterparts.
So, okay lang po ba yun sa atin? I mean, basta na lang din na lang natin malalaman kung paano nakaalis si Guo Huaping et al.
Madam Chair, uh, last year, the Bureau of Immigration submitted the report to your honorable office, Madam Chair. And with regard to any progress or developments as manifested last November, we will check from the Office of the Commissioner if there's any report submitted from November to this date, Madam Chair.
But of course, sir, bago po kayong lahat pumunta rito sa hearing, siguro naman in-update na po kayo ng office ni Commissioner. So ibig pong sabihin, is this normal na susulat ang ating Bureau of Immigration sa mga counterparts nyo sa ibang mga bansa sa Asia? And aside from information through informal channels na wala silang resulta, na walang official and written reply at all, or ni walang informal information of something more substantive? Okay din po ba sa kanila yung ganon?
Um, with dun sa case po ng Guo case, ma'am, um, as I can remember, the Commissioner Tansinko at that time sent a letter, official letter to the Commissioner of Indonesia. Yun po yung naging way para ma-hold ng Indonesia government yung si Sheila and Cassandra and eventually turned over to the Bureau of Immigration that time. So ang ginamit po dito is official letter by the BI to the Indonesian government. But with regard to possible routes or entries and exits, yung office naman po ng Intelligence Division, without any written or official letter, um, um, consulting or asking informations via informal channels, ma'am. Um, Yun po yung nangyari dun sa...
But it was no longer Commissioner Tansinko who promised this subcommittee, promised our chair, Senator Coco Pimentel, that there would be an update, there would be a report. It was already Commissioner Viado. So, kasi kung titigil lang tayo sa ganitong status, we're inutil as a country. 4 na buwan na po and we still don't know how fugitives got past our borders undetected. And if you could tell the committee on record, Chief Manahan for the BI, in short, hindi pa po alam hanggang ngayon ng Bureau of Immigration. Will you make that of record?
Yes, Honorable Chair.
All right. You can imagine the frustration that the whole committee and our chair, the Senate, would feel about this kind of a status na hindi pa natin ma-solve yung it shouldn't even be a mystery. It's a simple matter of fact na dapat by now nalalaman natin. Very regrettable po. Now, nung nakaraang taon, sinabi ng presidente na nung nakatakas si Guo Huaping, sinabi ng presidente na heads will roll. So may update na po ba sa internal investigation naman sa BI sa mga opisyal nito na maaring sangkot o kasabwat sa pagtakas ni Guo Huaping? So kung may update, ilan po ang nakasuhan, ilan po ang may administrative sanctions?
Ma'am, we will check if there's any from the office of the commissioner, if there's any.
Chief Manahan, you're the chief of the intelligence division. Do you know if there is an internal investigation or there's not? Meron po bang kinasuhan o wala? Meron po bang administratively sinasanction o wala?
As far as I'm concerned, ma'am, wala pong alam kasi may ibang offices din po kasi ang tawag doon na in charge, which is the Board of Discipline or BOD? BOD, Board of Discipline, who conducts also investigation when it comes to personal matters, Madam Chair.
But I suppose kahit Board of Discipline ang directly in charge, dapat alam din ng Intelligence Division. I can't imagine there's any other Intelligence Division of any other institution here na kung hindi man sila ang in charge directly sa isang internal investigation sa hanay nila. And in fairness to BI, I will ask similar questions of the other agencies. Hindi ko ma-imagine na may Intelligence Division ng ano pa mang institusyon dito who would be totally unaware kung merong internal investigation. Lalo na 4 na buwan na po mula nung huling itanong ito. So again, medyo magto-throw up ng hands ang subcommittee sa ganyang status. I mean, what is the BI doing if not finding out paano nakatakas si Guo Huaping? Then at the very least finding out kung mayroon ba at kung mayroon kung sino ang kasabwat sa loob ng bureau. Does the bureau even know kung saang border umalis si Guo Huaping? Saang border dito sa Pilipinas?
Ma'am, we will submit compliance report to your office, Madam Chair. But I'm sorry, but as of this time, we don't have any information kung saang ports or subports nakatakas sila Guo siblings, Madam Chair.
So we don't know anything. 4 months later, more than 4 months later, kung paano sila nakatakas, kung may tumulong ba sa kanilang mga opisyal o kawani ng gobyerno natin, pati sa BI, kung saang port or coast man lang ng archipelago natin siya tumakas. And I mean, ang Senate kasi treaty-making body, so laging top of mind din namin yung ibang mga bansa. Sulat po ng sulat ang bureau sa ibang mga gobyerno, sa ibang mga bureaus of immigration ng ibang mga gobyerno. Hanggang ngayon, wala pa silang official reply. So, tapos na ba yun? Okay na ba yun? How does the BI even feel about this? Okay po ba yung ganito, Chief?
I fully agree, Madam Chair. We will submit any compliance report as soon as possible, Madam Chair, to your office.
As soon as possible was last year, Director. Paulit-ulit po yung ganyang mga, we will submit. Haba po ng pasensya ng subcommittee na ito at ng mga miyembro at ng chair. Kung ako kayo, nakakainis yung ibang mga Bureau of Immigration na ibang mga bansa. Wala man lang maibigay na maayos na sagot. It is totally unacceptable. I'll ask you now, and I hope the Bureau has some answers naman about these other issues. No, there are 3 supposedly 3 Pogo bosses who were supposed to have been deported to China. Ang mga pangalan nila ay Liu Xun, Kong Xiangrui, and Wang Xiangle. I'm almost sure alam nyo itong mga pangalan na ito. Sila po ay unang deportees after the raid of Riran's company where 4,500 Chinese Pogo workers were rounded up. Tanong ko po sa inyo, hindi lang kay Chief Manahan, pati kay Attorney Santos or Acting Chief Wei, tanong ko po sa inyo, ang sinakyan ba nila ay direct flight o transit flight lang? And may we see a copy of the implementation order of their deportation? Si Attorney Santos.
We will secure the copy, ma'am, and check on these names. But we would also like to reiterate the press release of Commissioner Viado regarding the transit flights. So our commissioner reiterated the requirements for deportation, which is the passport, the ticket, and the NBI clearance. For coordination with our partner agencies, we do that with regard to fugitives once they are declared as fugitives by their governments. So in this case, ma'am, we will retrieve the documents and update the committee.
No, that was the first. Those three were the first deportees after the raid on reruns. Were not tens, not hundreds, but thousands of Chinese Pogo workers were rounded up. And those three bosses, Pogo bosses, were supposed to be deported to China. I think during this hearing, you can provide us a copy of the deportation order. Imposibleng wala yon. And very importantly, direct flight ba ang binook sa kanila o transit flight lamang yung sinakyan nila? Yes, Chief Manahan.
Madam Chair, if I can recall, yung meron pong first three na dineport. Part of the reruns na 438. Yung ticket po nila, as I can recall, is Air Asia bound for China. Meron po yatang layover.
Saan yung layover, Chief?
I can't recall, but it parang Hong Kong, Madam Chair.
Hong Kong. Itong tatlo, itong first three, itong sina Liu Xun, Kong Xiangrui at Wang Xiangle. Can you confirm that, Chief?
Yes, ma'am. I'll go back to my record, Madam Chair. Pero po yung tatlong ito na claim to be bosses, actually, ma'am, 438 foreign nationals, we never have any information na may boss or bosses doon. So kung
But if you confirm na itong tatlo, sina Liu, Kong at Wang, ang tatlong unang dineport, they are reportedly Chinese Pogo bosses. May at least initial information sa kanila na ganon.
yes, ma'am. Whoever the agency reported na yun po yung mga bosses, we don't have any idea. Actually, ma'am, we arrest only. We're not particular on any classification or categories of the ranks ng mga inaaresto ng
So
ng
please
Bureau of
send me
Immigration.
the implementation order on the deportation of those first three,
Yes, Madam
lalo
Chair.
na kung ma-confirm natin na sila sina Liu, Kong at Wang.
Yes, Madam Chair.
The three I named.
Madam Chair, can I share something?
Yes, please. The BI needs to share more.
Right.
Para maging kapaki-pakinabang itong hearing na ito. Yes, please
Yung-
proceed, Chief.
First is the ticket. The usual deportation po, we secure assistance from the embassy to provide tickets. Ito po yung mga challenges ng BI kung saan kukunin po yung mga tickets. Ngayon there's a clamor to deport yung mga nahuhuli the soonest and the fastest time. So ang ginawa po ng BI, um, nag nag-initiate po sila ng dialogue with the PDLs kung sino po yung pwedeng magbigay or mag-shoulder or mag-purchase ng kanilang mga tickets. So, January 8 po nangyari ito, matter of 2 weeks. Ito na po yung pinaka-fastest deportation na nangyayari sa history ng BI, 2 weeks. At ang unang nagpa-deport is yung tatlo po yun na yun na kiniklaim to be boss or bosses.
Siyempre, kung bosses sila, afford nila. Kasi kumita na sila ng malaki sa Pogo dito
Yes,
eh.
Madam Chair. Actually,
Pero yung mga PDLs pa ang tinanong kung pwedeng mag-shoulder ng tickets sila, hindi ba dapat may pondo ang BI para sa deportation na inuutos ng BI?
Madam Chair, sorry to say, wala po. Kaya po yun
Alright.
ang mga challenges po ng BI.
Mhm.
Wala po silang allocated funds for the tickets ng mga deportees. Madam Chair, also, the reason po na dineport itong tatlo, wala naman po silang, ang Chinese embassy at that time, wala pong minanifest na itong tatlong ito is fugitive or merong criminal offense sa China. It's been 2 weeks and we've been coordinating this to the said embassy, pero no written letter or no holdings manifested from the Chinese embassy. So, ang inimplement po natin dito is the Philippine law na to remove them the soonest time possible sa country as directed by the president during the time of the SONA to ban and cease and desist all operations and to remove them.
And did those first three, lalo na kung sina Liu, Kong at Wang, actual ba silang nakarating sa China? Their destination supposedly upon deportation.
Madam Chair, that we don't have any information in it.
Why don't you have information? But why doesn't the Bureau have information? BI of the Republic of the Philippines orders deportation of 438 persons, including these three, who I think are the Chinese Pogo bosses I named. Dapat end-to-end para makumpleto yung deportation process. Bakit walang information kung nakarating sila aktual sa destination nila?
Ma'am, I can, if my chief legal can correct me, but my personal opinion to this is that our main objective is to simply remove them out of the country and implement the deportation.
No, sir, I think even pending receipt of the copy of the deportation order, malinaw na removed from the Philippines but arriving in some other country. And sir, and not just Chief Manahan, Attorney Santos, you may want to address my follow-up question. Paano kung sabihin ko sa inyo na hindi sila nakarating sa China at nawala na lang sa layover? You told me na destination nila was China but they were going to have a layover in Hong Kong. Paano kung sabihin ko sa inyo na I have confirmation na ni kaluluwa nila hindi na nakarating sa China? Hindi ba responsibility natin, as I was asking Chief Manahan, responsibility natin tiyakin na diretso pa uwi ang ating dinedeport? So what would you say to that information?
Yung responsibility na yan, Senator, is for, as far as the BI is concerned, ang protocol ho namin is once they are declared fugitive, we make sure that they are either escorted or alam ng kanilang embassy yung prior knowledge ng embassy yung pag-deport sa kanila. Pag hindi ho sila declared as fugitive, our duty is to ensure that they are boarded to their country ho. Yan ho yung hanggang dyan po yung Bureau of Immigration na that they are ensured that they are deported out. Sinakay sila ng airline. Yan po
And
yung
shouldn't
difference.
they be boarded for their country on a direct flight? Lalo na given the nature of these deportations. Hindi lang siya, deportation alone seryoso na, pero deportation in connection with a ban on POGOs na napatunayan ang sasama ng epekto sa atin.
Yes, ma'am. As intimated by Chief Jun Manahan of our intelligence division, when we deported them, they have not been declared as fugitives by their country, by China. So when we deported them, it was a regular deportation.
Doesn't regular deportation mean direct flight without a layover?
Ma'am, as intimated by our commissioner, we accept what ticket is available.
So, but isn't it true also, attorney, that the Chinese embassy in the Philippines actually wrote to the PI to complain about the layover flights?
Um, Wala ho, ma'am. Wala silang sinubmit regarding that.
I have information to the contrary.
Ah,
Sumulat ang Chinese embassy di umano sa bureau para ireklamo yung layover flights. And bakit? Napakakulang ba ng direct flights sa China para kailangang rely on layover flights? Lalo na conveniently for these first three na dineport na sa pagkaalam ko ay mga supposedly mga pogo bosses. Wala bang sapat na direct flights?
Ma'am, if I may reiterate, we accept what ticket was presented.
Presented by whom po?
That is, I will get back to you, ma'am, because it is our deportation unit that accepts the ticket.
Where's the deportation unit, sir? Wala ba sila